Choose a file to print. If the machine keeps making the clicking sound and the filament can't get out or the extrusion isn't smooth, we need to clean the nozzle. Unload the filament first. Hold the tube fitting to remove the tube. Rotate the coupling to raise the X-assembly for cleaning. Heat up to be 220 degrees Celsius. Wait for the filament to fully melt. Use the 1.5 mm wrench in the package to clean it for several times to make sure the nozzle is clean. Make sure there's no residual filament in the nozzle. After cleaning the nozzle, pay attention to inserting the tube into the nozzle. Load filament. If the cleaning process is successful, the filament extrusion will be very smooth. If cleaning is unsuccessful, consider repeating the process before or replacing the hot end to resolve the issue.